What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at Shane Van Gisbergen's 2024 number 16 Saucy Nuggs Chevrolet 124 scale. Just got this car in the mail. Just got released about 2 or 3 weeks ago. Just got it in the mail this past Friday. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at this car. We're going to take a look at it inside the box first, then we're going to rip it out and take a look at this amazing looking paint scheme. You can see a little sneak peek of it right here. I love this car. I know we only raced it once or twice last year, but still a very, very nice car. You can see it's one of a 504 for the make on this 2024 car. And the 124 scale box is just like the 164 scale boxes with the white and black design. Very, very neat. You see the top of it here. And then on the bottom, nothing too interesting, just all the saying it's adult collectible, and then all the sponsors and whatnot. You see you got Ford, GM, Toyota, everything, just your standard box. There's the little digital version of the car right there. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at the at this awesome paint scheme. Alrighty, now we've got it out of the box. I actually corrected myself. He only raced this car one time, and it was for the Chicago street race, and that's given the fact that there is a windshield wiper right there in the front and center of the windshield. So that kind of helps decide on what race he raced it at. But the only piece of paperwork that it came with was the thank you for your order from Lionel Racing, along with the return form, which we're not going to need that. So we're going to go ahead and uncover it. I'm not going to be taking it off the base just yet. I think I'm going to leave it in the box until I get a case for it. But look at this beautiful paint scheme. The black, the orange, and then of course the Saucy Nuggs right there on the side. So of course you've got the Wendy's logo, the Saucy Nuggs, and you got kind of like the sauce pouring on the car, which is the orange here. Number 16, you see you've got the his SVG right there on the top window. Come around to the front. Wendy's big logo right there. No writing, just the Wendy logo along with WeatherTech there on the very nose. Everything about this car looks to be in pretty good order. Seems to be no mistakes on it as I have kind of turned it around and been looking at it. No mistakes on this car at all, not like with the 164s that we've been seeing. Very, very high quality. You can see it's very, you can see the shine's very, very nice on it. Come around to the passenger side, same thing as the driver's side. One thing you will notice is, though, because it was raced Chicago street course race, your gas fill up is on this side. So that's another thing. And here, I'll give you a closer look at the windshield with the printed on windshield wiper. Yeah, it's not an actual windshield wiper, it's just printed on. It'd be nice if they could like attach them and kind of put them on like other brands of 124 scale, but it's still a nice addition. It kind of gives us a more of an idea of where this car was raced. And the indent for the gas is still on this driver's side. You can see it right there. It's just kind of been overlaid with the orange for the sauce. And then this side is just printed on. There's no indent or nothing like that. It's just printed on there. But you come around to the back side. Can't stop the sauce. So you still got your yellow stripes. As we know, 2024 was the last season they used the rookie stripes. So this is indicating he was a rookie for that season. Then you got Wendy's on the deck lid. And then you can see right there, this is actually the number 4, the 4th one that was produced of the 504. So this is the 4th of 504. So there's 503 other ones out there, and I got number 4. That's pretty awesome. Just ordered off of Trackhouse's website. So the fact that we got a really low number is really, really cool. But yeah, what do you guys think of this car? I love it. It's going to be in my personal collection for a very long time. It's one of the reasons why I spent the money to buy this car. Very, very nice looking car. Let me know what you guys think. I do have some more cars coming in, and we'll be able to show you guys here soon. And remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you think about the car.